take a square piece of paper, fold the bottom edge up to the top edge. Make the crease well. Unfold the previous step. Fold the right edge over to the left edge. Unfold the previous step. Then flip the paper over to the other side. Rotate the paper. Fold the bottom corner up to the top corner. Make the crease well. Unfold the previous step. Fold the right corner over to the left corner. Unfold the previous step. Rotate the paper. Then now bring the left and right edge towards you and flatten the top layer. That's all. Our water bomb base is ready.